Hello. It's afternoon today and it's raining. Yeah, baby? It's raining. Do you like the rain? Yeah. You like the rain? She's actually watching over there, everyone. We're having our afternoon nap after our tiring morning work and after our lunch. We had our break and right now,
It's raining outside, guys.
yeah, it's raining. Tell them, what is the rain? The rain?
Thunder.
Water. Yeah?
Water.
Water from?
Thunder.
From the? And thunder. Yeah. Sometimes, guys, we have thunder. What else? Lightning. Say lightning.
Lightning.
Lightning. Did it properly? Yeah, did it properly. So, guys, you know that breastfeeding is important to your babies or to your toddlers, and it's also important that you have the support of your partner when it comes to breastfeeding. So here's Daddy. Where's Daddy, Jemima? Daddy is there. He's sleeping at the moment. He will have her work later on. His evening shift, while baby is here with mommy's work. But later mommy will pay for her college fees. We still have a balance, so we need to pay it, of course. And also Jemima, our baby, will stay here. I actually want to ask her to come with me, but it's raining. We don't have our own car, so she will be here staying with Mamala. Yeah, or if Mamala will not be able to babysit you, Daddy will take care of you. Yeah, Daddy? Daddy, iwan ko sa'yo, Jemima. Oh, yeah. Said yes. Don't fight with one another, okay? Okay? Okay. So, it's important, everyone, to have your support, your partner support in breastfeeding. Not just in breastfeeding, but also in taking care of your child, of your children. Because it's not always easy if you're just alone or you're just one taking care of your children. Okay? Can you kiss mommy? Please? No? Just Didi? Kissing Miss Didi? Okay. Bye for now. Say bye for now. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Let me share also why partners are important in your breastfeeding journey. Okay, watch until the end, guys. Thank you for watching this portion.